Okay, this is the bedroom.
Where to at where so sat to Nana chicken na asitata.
So guys, we are in bedroom. This is where they sleep. Okay.
And these are some of the mattresses that they use when they are sleeping at night.
Hi guys.
Welcome back to my YouTube channel, and of course this is the Queen of Adventures. And today's adventure, we are going to have a house tour, but before that I'll let my friend introduce himself.
No.
That is his name. My name is Diana, and today we are going to have a tour for his house. So come with me as we tour the house. Let's see the house, how it looks like. Okay.
So the hut has 3 essential components: a primary structure of large branches sourced from locally growing shrubs and trees. Young baobab are preferred, although they prefer many species that are suitable.
Okay. Kota aseme he. Seme kiti yako ayako isateko.
Okay.
Iyako ko kiti ishin. Tono ko ya atona so tora gwe ko.
So this is the kitchen. According to how I'm understanding, they cook and then after cooking.
Lua atona na seme.
The seme.
Manako kote. Manako.
Okay.
Manako.
So this is the kitchen area where they cook and then they eat manako. Yeah.
Manako seme.
Seme. Okay. 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 So guys, this is it, and this one. Laundry.
Hako kwa mezata achabe. Achabe isateko kwa azata.
Okay.
Eka akwimi afa anakote mokoa.
Okay. So guys, I think this is the laundry where they store their dirty clothes and then they go and wash the clothes. So this is the laundry. I believe this is where they store their dirty clothes. That's what I believe. Okay.
Amena it's ako asechaniko.
Okay, this is the bedroom.
Where to at where so sat to Nana chicken na asitata. Okay. Amena chicken.
Can we go in? So guys, we are in bedroom. This is where they sleep. Okay. So where is the bed?
Ako santa koma hadza. Hadza. Where think oko shwe bekote kwema hadza. Amena a cheketa. A tumba teko a yasane. Baso tutsuta atune shafu ngat a atone. At omasako ne eta ishina na ba at omasako. Eta omasako atona hadza. Sigala ma hadza.
Oh.
I atone.
Okay. Oh, tobacco. This is where they sell tobacco. Okay, tobacco. And then they these people still take drugs. But I've noticed that there's a lot.
Hako yasane.
Oh, and it's no one.
Yasane.
Okay, sane.
Yasane.
Okay, and another.
Okoa oko.
Oh, so this where he stores his tobacco things. Tobacco.
Ayasane. No wa moya sane with the chupa masala ko akwabe chita tie enoko.
I think this one is a strong one.
Yeah.
This is a strong one.
Yes.
Okay, when you take, are you seeing it clear?
Yes.
On my camera? Are you seeing me clear?
Yeah.
Okay, when he takes this, it's the strong one, and then he's even coughing because it goes to the brain. According to how I'm feeling, him explaining to me, and he has given me this one.
Tumbate.
Okay.
He's meaning that when they use that, it makes them to become more powerful when they hunt.
Oh, yeah. This one is for hunting.
Yeah, when they need to go to hunting, they must use it. Yeah.
Okay.
Tumbate yasane.
This one for bang.
Yasane.
Okay.
Yasane.
Okay. Anyway, I don't understand.
No, at all.
Okay, so where is the bed now?
Mokoa.
No bed.
Sorry? No bed?
Yeah.
Oh, where do they sleep?
They sleep
It's
on the ground.
Mokoa.
Okay, I don't understand what he's telling me.
Mokoa.
Oh, they sleep down.
Yeah.
Okay, they sleep down. So, and this one, what is this? This.
Hama sina katita.
Oh.
Habe wa ineta ta sina keta.
Okay.
Basi ta atona na asa atona ta.
Oh. So this is the bed. You eat like this. And this. So guys, I'm going to show you how the bedroom is being made. I'm in their bedroom, and this is how it's being made. Okay. 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 I wait. Okay. So.
Okay.
Oh, stop! Oh. And this is.
Daranka.
Oh, food. Oh, this is their storage, guys.
Daranka.
Come here. I just found something. This is where they store their unga to cook with meat. Yeah. You cook ugali. Yes, yes. Oh, they have water. This is where they store their water. Water. Okay. Oh.
And this is how their mattresses look like. Of course, they have to lay their mattresses on the ground for them to have as good sleep. And others, they don't even sleep because some are hunting over the night. So,
okay. So, guys are being shown the bedroom. And this covering. Do they cover? Okay. You just sleep like that. Okay. 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 So do you think this is how they sleep, right?
Yeah.
Okay. So guys, this is their bed. I'm inside the house of Hadzabe, and I was showing you the house tour, how it looks like. So I've seen the way the bed is. I have seen the storage of the water over there. This is a water storage over there. This is where they store their food also. This is where they hang their clothes over there. Is there and this? Oh, we have some more storage of the unga. This is here flour, maize flour. We have some more storage of the maize flour. But on the top of the house, it's not raining, right? It doesn't rain when it's raining. What do they do? Because let me show them. What do they do at night? Because that's how it looks like. Oh, tunarecord kweli. Oh, iko inarecord. So guys, this is the house. How can you ask them? Kukinyesha mnafanya nini?
Tukinyesha ndio tunachukua majani ya makonge.
Okay.
Ndio majani haingii mvua.
Okay. So when it's raining, he's telling me when it's raining, they take the sisal fiber and then they cover it on their rooftop, then so that it doesn't pour. So even when it's raining, they are safer here. So meanwhile, guys, that's the house tour of these people, and I think these people are very loving. So nikikutoa hapa nikupeleke mjini, unaweza kubali?
Nini? Nichinjwe mimi mjini.
Mjini uchinjwe na nani? So I'm asking him if I take him out of this place because they live in forest. If I take him from this place and take him to the city center, he cannot go because he feels like he can be slaughtered. Mbona wezi enda?
Nini?
Mjini.
Mjini? Nifanyaje wapi? Mjini ndi huko.
So guys, that is it.
Semu ya nyani.
Okay, you love this one because of hunting.
Nanasaan. Hadzabe.
Okay. Okay. How old are you? Miaka ngapi?
No. Akwa nasoma
Oh, he doesn't know because he has not even gone to school. Oh, I think these people are very loving, eh? Yeah.
Habe pompoko adeneta mzungu ko habe ko takema hadza
Oh, mzungu. These are mzungu who gave it to them. Even this mzungu? Even that mzungu? And this mzungu?
Mzungu
Oh, even this mzungu.
Yuwa ineta mzungu.
Okay.
Bami kwa ko adzana yami kwa teta hadzano kwa. Alete mutumba atebe hadzabe hakaka anate wa ikoma etsa
So you brought the mutumba?
Mtumba.
Okay. Close and you Hadzabe. Everyone. Everyone.
It's a tech.
Oh.
It's a tech.
Okay, it's a tech. Okay, so I'm really trying to connect with them, and from the actions of how they are speaking, I believe I'm understanding very well. So I'm really trying to understand. So he's telling me Mzungu came, gave them this as a Hadzabe community, and everyone was received their outfits, because I can see some of them have outfits over here, but they still love the skin. Even this one has the skin. Yeah, everyone loves the skin. So guys, that is it over here from this end. I'm really enjoying, and we are going out.
Ma.
Oh, I still have this one.
Okay, kwema pa ana kwete moko.
Yeah.
Kwema moko.
Unini yako?
Moko ni.
Oh, okay.
Ana kwete.
Okay. Oh, okay.
Unini yako?
Okay.
Ako itafe.
So guys, I'm there. I'm standing. I'm going out. Sana. Oi. Oi. So. And this is how, guys, the house looks outside. This is how the house looks outside over here. These are the sufurias where they cook with. This is the house. This is the roofing, the top, and this is the main entrance. Oh, Mzungu also gave them this one. Yeah, Mzungus are very good. Even this Mzungu everywhere. This is Mzungu. Oh, Mzungu. Mzungu. Oh, everyone in the community. Okay, everyone in the community. They were being given the. Okay. Oh. Okay. Okay. PPA 2 people. PPA 2. Oh. Okay. Moko. Okay. Okay, so guys, that is it. This where they. Okay, Mokoa. And the clothes, they are there. So guys, as you can see on top there, we are in the middle of the forest, and this is where people live. This is where they hunt their things. This is where they enjoy over their lives. So, and one thing with these people, even if you take them out of this place, they cannot agree to go out of that place. They're saying in the urban area, they will be killed. Okay, what's this? Meaning?
Dawa ya asili ambayo wakati wa usiku ili kuepuka mbu.
Oh.
Na pia wakiwa na vidonda.
Oh.
Vidonda.
So this is where they cover. Oh, let me show you. Oh guys, so this is where they cover. So that's medicinal. Oh. Oh.
Anakausha haraka.
Okay. So that's medicinal, guys. He just applied. So these are medicine. So these are herbal. These are herbal tree. So it cures many diseases. Okay. So guys, that is it. Oh.
That was a memorable house tour. And also guys, you need to note that apart from the ones who sleep in the huts that are made of sisal, we have some other who sleep under the tree that cannot afford the houses. They sleep under the trees. And I was privileged to sleep and enjoy my sleep with some of the girls here. And let me tell you, it was very sweet, because under the tree is where you make your beddings, but on top of the tree, it's where the storage of food is being made. So I'm going to show you how it's made. And beside me, I had two girls that we were sleeping with them. We were enjoying our sleeps, and on top of us, we had some storage of meals that we had planning to eat, and everything that they cook, they store it on top of the trees. So guys, let's continue enjoying as I show you the wonders of the Hadzabe community, how it looks like. Good morning. Good morning. You're waking her up. Just let her sleep. Good morning. You have overslept. Good morning. Nimeamka nikashangaa. Hata nimeamka na mwanangu nimeona kijita hapo. How are you?